Looking back at the given data set for problem number 2, I wanted to show you again by hand how to create the stem and leaf display. The stem is going to be the leftmost digits in the number, and the leaf, again, will be the rightmost digit. So we'll start by writing stem and leaf. So we're breaking the number apart. The number 64, leftmost is 6, rightmost digit is 4. So if we scan the numbers, I really want to identify the largest and the smallest numbers first. So that will tell me which stems are needed in this stem and leaf display. So if I scan across, then 64 is going to be the largest number in the set. And it looks like 14 is the smallest. Since 1 is the leftmost digit, my smallest stem will be 1. 64 is the largest number. That means 6 will be the largest stem. I need to include numbers from 1 to 6. So those are my stems. Now I'm going to go one by one and write down the leaves. So with the number 64, stem of 6 pairs with the leaf of 4. 58 means stem of 5, leaf of 8. 14 has a leaf of 4. 36 has a leaf of 6. 53, 59, 41, 32, 59, 45, 54, and 47. So you'll notice there are no leaves pairing with 2 because none of our measurements are in the 20s. But we do need to have the stem of 2 included as that placeholder. Now, the only thing that we need to do to this stem and leaf display is make sure the leaves are in the proper order. 4 is the only leaf, so that's okay. 2 has no leaf. But notice that 6 and 2 are not written from smallest to largest, so we really need to change the order of those. So I'll keep my stems from 1 to 6. So 3 is paired with 2 and 6. I'm not using any commas to separate those. It's just writing the string of digits, no commas. 1, 5, 7 is paired with the stem of 4, and those are in the correct order, so I'll just copy those. So see how I'm lining up the first leaf, lining up the second leaf? Make sure that you're neat about doing this, or you won't be able to see the shape of the data very well. For 5, I need 3, 4, 8, 9, 9. And finally, we only have a leaf of 4 paired with 6. So everything is in order now. If I were to answer part B about what shape the stem and leaf display has, I would try to draw a nice smooth curve over the data. And I can see that that is definitely mound-shaped. So when you're drawing your stem and leaf display by hand, we are not drawing any horizontal lines between these stems, and we're not using any commas in between the digits for the leaves.